This room is a mess. I need to go to the bathroom. Oh my goodness, look at this bathroom. Ugh, I'd rather go outside. Ew. Ugh. Ew, this is the most disgusting thing I've ever touched. Ugh. Ugh. Ew. At least now I can go to the bathroom. What a beautiful morning it is today. Deegan, come on, wake up. Ew, I forgot how dirty our room is. It's not that dirty. Hey kids, oh my goodness, your room is horrible too. It's not that bad, Mom. Yes, it is. Okay, I finally figured it out. We are going to be doing a cleanup today, a cleanup day. We really need this. Oh. Oh, those are some good eggs, Ken. Hey, honey, have you seen our room and the bathroom and the kids' room? No. They are all so horrible. I was thinking we could do a cleanup day today. What? I have plans. What type of plans? Well, I was gonna go to the beach and surfboard. No, you're staying here, and you're gonna help clean up the house. But after you're done and eating, please clean up the bathroom. Ugh. Ugh, it looks like I have some cleaning up to do. All done. I can't believe we have to clean our room. Yeah, it's not that bad. Yeah, it's perfectly fine. Nuh-uh-uh. You're not going anywhere without cleaning your room. Ugh. I guess let's start. Okay. Ugh, this is disgusting. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.